Good morning children, how are you all? So, did you read the lesson? Did you do your homework? Saturday, Sunday is over. Did you go through the whole lesson? Did you read the lesson thoroughly? Did you all understand the whole lesson? I hope you understood. I will recap the whole lesson very fast. Okay? In The Clever Fisherman. The Clever Fisherman. What is there in this story? Mr. Malik, he is a wealthy man and he is a generous man. He had two servants. What were their name? Mahesh and Khayali. So Mr. Malik decided to give a party to his friends. So he tells the two servants to arrange for the party and go to the market and bring all the things for the party. And special thing what he said was to bring a big fish. So the servants arranged for the party, but they were not able to bring the big fish because they saw the fish was stale. So Mr. Malik asked them, is everything there? So they tell everything is there, but only the fish was missing. So what did Mr. Malik say? Go to the market and give an announcement that the person who brings the best fish will be rewarded. So what happens? Murthy hears this announcement and next day he comes with a big fish. Who stops him? The watchman Sonu stops him. Sonu was a bad man. He tells Mr. Murthy that if you give half of your reward to me, then only I will allow you to go inside. Mr. Murthy was very clever. He said, first he didn't like what Sonu told, but he went inside and he agreed to his thing and he went inside. Mr. Malik was very happy to see the fish and he said, how much do you want and I will pay for this fish. So he said, I don't want any money as a reward. You whip me 100 times. Mr. Malik thought, why does he say all these things? Then he says that your watchman who is outside, he told me that he wants half of my reward. So you give me 50 times you whip me and 50 times you whip your watchman. Then Mr. Malik gets angry. He calls Sonu and he says, he sends him out of the house. Then he was very happy with Mr. Murthy and he tells him, you tell me the amount of the fish, I will pay double for that. But Mr. Murthy says, I don't want any double money. The price of this fish is 340 rupees. You please pay me only that much. Mr. Malik was very happy to see his modesty and so he said, I am going to give you 100 gold coins for this, and he pays him 100 gold coins, and Mr. Murthy was rewarded for his honesty and for his cleverness. I hope all of you have understood this. Then now let's start with the true and false on page number 57. True and false on page number 57. So all will take out page number 57. Let's do the true and false. See the first sentence. Keep your finger and let's see the first sentence. Mr. Malik was a poor man. Was Mr. Malik a poor man? No. Mr. Malik was a wealthy man and he was a generous man. So is it true or false? It is false. So in the first one, write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Write false in the first one. Then see the second sentence. One day Mr. Malik decided to go to his friend's house for a feast. Mr. Malik decides to go to his friend's house for a feast? No. He decides to call all the friends and give the party. He didn't want to go to any friend's party for the feast. So is it true or false, this sentence? This sentence is also false. This sentence is also false. So second one, write false. Second one, write false. F-A-L-S-E. Okay, come to the third one. Children, keep the finger on where I am reading so that you will read and understand. Third, Mr. Malik asked his servants to buy the best fish from the market. Mr. Malik asked his servant to buy the best fish. Yes, he tells the servant that you must bring the best fish for the party. Yes, this sentence is true. This sentence is true. So, third one, right? True. What is the spelling of true? T-R-U-E, true. T-R-U-E, true. Then next, fourth one. Keep your fingers on number 4. 4. When the servant bought a big fish, Mr. Malik was happy. Servant what? When the servant did not bought, fisherman bought. So this is false. This is false. Servant did not bring the fish, his fisherman bought. So the fourth one is false, right? False. F-A-L-S-E, false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Then fifth one, Murthy was a rude fisherman? No, Murthy was not a rude fisherman. He was honest and clever. He was honest and clever. So this is true or false? It is false. It is false. So fifth one, right? False. F-A-L-S-E, false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Sixth one. Keep your fingers on sixth one, children. Yes. Sonu was a good and friendly watchman. What kind of person was Sonu? Sonu was a bad man. He was not a good and friendly watchman, but instead he was a bad man. He told Murthy that he will allow him inside only if he gives half of the reward. Is it good? No, this is not good. So this sentence is false. This sentence is false. So write false on sixth one. F-A-L-S-E, false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Murthy, then come to seventh one, children. Keep your fingers on seventh one. All of you should keep your fingers on where I am reading. Then only you will be able to read it. When you are seeing this video, when ma'am is saying seventh one, keep your finger on seventh one and read along with the ma'am. Okay. Murthy told Mr. Malik that Sonu wanted half the reward. Was it true? Yes. Murthy told Mr. Malik that your watchman Sonu wants half of the reward. So is it true or false? It is true. It is true. So write true. Seventh one is true. T-R-U-E, true. T-R-U-E, true. Then last one, eighth one. Keep your fingers on the eighth one. In the end, Mr. Malik gave Murthy 50 gold coins. 50 gold coins? No. He gave 100 gold coins. How much he gave? In the end, he gave 100 gold coins. So this sentence is also false. This sentence is also false. So I hope all of you have understood all the lessons and the true and false. I hope you all have written it. If you have not written it, I am going to send it through WhatsApp. You complete this and go through the lesson, read the lesson once again, complete it and write the true or false also neatly in your book. Complete it neatly. And remember, while writing also, when you write true or false, many of you write the spelling of true and false also wrong. Write correct spelling. F-A-L-S-E, false. T-R-U-E, true. True means correct, false means wrong. I hope you understood this very nicely. Read the whole lesson, complete this. Next exercise, we will do it tomorrow. Till then, complete this. So, children, take care. Goodbye. God bless you all.